I am Aditya and this is a demonstration of Project 1 for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Visiting /wiki/title, where title is the title of an encyclopedia entry, renders a page with an appropriate title and displays the contents of that encyclopedia entry. If an entry is requested that does not exist, the user is presented with an error page indicating that their requested page was not found. The home page not only lists all entries but has links that the user can click and be taken directly to that entry's page. For example, we can go to Python's page. The search bar on the left-hand menu allows searching for any query. If the query matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is redirected to that entry's page. If the query does not match the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user is instead taken to a search results page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have the query as a substring. For example, if the search query were YDHO, then Python appears in the search results. On clicking the link, the user is led to Python's page. Should the query not be a substring in any entry, an error message is displayed to the user. Clicking Create New Page in the sidebar takes the user to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. Users must enter a title for the page and, in a text area, enter the Markdown content for the page, then submit using the Save Page button. If an encyclopedia entry already exists with the provided title, the user is presented with an error message. Otherwise, the encyclopedia entry is saved to disk, and the user is taken to the new entries page. On each entry page, the user can click a link to be taken to a page where they can edit that entry's Markdown content in a text area. The text area is pre-populated with the existing Markdown content of the page. The user must then click the Save Entry button. Once the entry is saved, the user is redirected back to that entry's page. Clicking Random Page in the sidebar takes the user to a random encyclopedia entry. On each entry's page, any Markdown content in the entry file is converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. This has been done with the help of a third-party library called Python Markdown 2. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo.